Nandito tayo ngayon sa welcome to my vlog. Nandito pala tayo ngayon sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. Guys, ang ganda ng ano niya, oh. Ang ganda niya, oh. Umiikot yan, guys. Pag umanda, umiikot yan, guys. Ang tindi, ang lupit, oh. May sound trip pa, oh.
There's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy.
Kita mo, guys, oh.
Yeah, I had to coop at the lot. Told him
Guys,
for
kita
12
mo,
on
oh.
SWAT. Books a lot of bills out
Diba, busina. Busina, oh. Oh. Natitinda ka ng pandesal, oh. Guys, oh. Kita mo, kita, oh. Oh, kita, oh. Guys, may ano pa yan, oh. Kita mo, oh. May headlight pa yan. Para kung sa madiliman. Ang ganda ng kasit up, guys. Kita nyo. Oh, kita mo, may cellphone holder pa yan. Kung sakali siya, nagwi-wish siya, habang papunta siya ng pupuntahan niya na malalayo, yan, oh. Ayan. Ganda ng kasit up mo, sira. No. Umiikot pa yung likod, no.
Okay, sa ako yan, oh.
Ah, yan din.
Parang scooter naman siya.
Ikaw lang gumagawa niyan.
Hindi, pinapakastomize.
Happy ikaw pinapa-customize mo. Yan, ang ganda ng bike ni Kuya, oh. May ano pa, may sunroof pa. Kita mo naman, puro stainless yan, no. Ayan, guys, oh, napakalupit, ano. Ayan, oh. Tama, may sound trip pa yan, guys. So, may sound trip pa, oh. Ayan, ayan. Diba, guys, ang ganda, oh. Tama, oh.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Hey, switch my whip, came back in black, I'm starting saying recipes of Oscar.
Ay, kita mo, may sensing error pa siya, oh. Kaya may cellphone holder. Oh, may busina pa.
Let the phone on stage, right? Leave my fucking soul in the cop car.